Welcome to the Programming Minds. In this video, we are going to learn reverse number using C++ programming language. So let's get started with including libraries. Hash include IOStream using namespace standard. Let's write main function int main and return 0. So for this program, we need to define three variables, integer variables. So let's define int number where we store that number, and let's define reverse number, and we will take it as 0, and after that let's define reminder because we will be using reminder for the implementation of this program. You will get to know in the next steps. Okay, so let's print message using cout enter number to reverse. Okay, semicolon, then use cin method to store that number into the number variable. Yeah, okay, so let's define one while loop, and where we will be checking if number is not equal to 0. Okay, so if number is not equal to 0, we will find remainder of that number. Remainder will be, and we will divide that number by 10. So number, let's use a modulus operator, and okay, so we will find the remainder of that number by dividing by the 10, and we will store it in a remainder variable. Then we will use reverse number variable, and we will write one formula like reverse number into 10 plus remainder. Okay, and after that we will divide that number by 10. So we can divide by this method. So let's understand what is happening in this loop. So in the first step of that loop, we are going to find the remainder dividing by 10. So let's assume we have the number like 1 2 3 4 5. So by using modulus, we will find the remainder as 5 first. Okay, so we got the last number of that whole number. Okay, and because we want to reverse that number, we will take the last number as first. So in first iteration we found the remainder as 5. Then in this step we are going to create the reverse number by using this formula. So let's understand what we are doing here. So we have defined the reverse number as a 0 here. Okay, so 0 into 10 plus our remainder is 5 in first iteration. So we found the 5, so it will become 0 into 10 is equal to 0, and we found the 5 as reverse number. Okay, and we have stored that 5 into the reverse number. Then we will go to this step, and we are dividing that number, which is 1 2 3 4 5 by the 10. So we will get the 1 2 3 4 as the natural number, because we are not getting zero point 0.5 because we are not using float or double. So we will get the whole integer 1 2 3 4 by dividing by the 10. Then we will let's define it as a first step, and it is also first iteration, so it's happening in first iteration. Okay, so yeah, this is the stages what we have done in the first iteration. Then in second iteration we have the number as 1 2 3 4 5, and which is not equal to 0. So we will again come into loop, and again we will divide in the second iteration. We will divide that number by 10, and we will find the modulus by using this method, and here modulus will be 4. Okay, so we found the second number for the reverse number. Okay, so in that method, and here we will be using that formula again. So here we have the reverse number is 5. Okay, as we have found it in first iteration. Okay, so 5 into 10 plus we found the remainder as 4. So here we will get 4 is equal to 5 into 10, it will be 50, plus 4, it will be 54. So we have reversed the last two numbers from here, 4 5 to we have made it as 5 4, and after that here in the second iteration we will be dividing that number 1 2 3 4 by the 10, and uh, we will find 1 2 3 here. Okay, so this will happen in the second iteration. We got the 1 2 3 as a number, then we will again go into the loop, and 1 2 3 is not equal to 0. Then in second iteration we will find modulus again by dividing by 10, and it will be 3. In this step of third iteration we will we have the reverse number as 5 4. So 5 4 into 10 plus we found the remainder as 4. Sorry, we got it as a 3. Here we will add 3, and we will get number as 5 4 into 10 is equal to 540, and plus we will be adding 3, so it will be 543. Okay, we got the reverse number till the 3, and here we in the third iteration here we will be dividing it by 10 again, and we will get the 1 2. So it's goes happen till the that number become 0, and at last we will get the reverse number as 54321. Okay, so this is the whole implementation of program to reverse number using C++ programming language. So let's run the program, and let's find if it's working well. Click on the Windows debugger. Okay, so let's enter our first example, 1 2 3 4 5. We have not written the program to print the reverse number, so let's write it here. Let's use C out, and let's use slash n to give the one line space, and we will print message as reverse number, and we will print reverse number here. Okay, let's use handle. It will give one line space. Okay, so let's run it again and check if it's working well. Program is running successfully. Let's enter 1 2 3 4 5 and hit enter. Okay, we got the reverse number as 54321. Yeah, so this is the successful implementation of C++ program to reverse number. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to the Programming Minds YouTube channel. Thank you.